Hello and welcome. I'm back today with a traditional Portuguese dessert called Serradura or the sawdust pudding. It looks classy and tastes absolutely divine, and it needs only 2 ingredients. The first thing is graham crackers or Marie biscuits, and the second thing is whipping cream. Begin by crushing the biscuits into a fine powder. I'm using my blender, but you can use a rolling pin, a balan, or anything that you have available. The idea is to get a fine, even powder. Now we whip the cream. The one that I'm using is pre-sweetened, so no sugar needed. I have given many details and options for your cream options down in the description box. Once you have soft to stiff peaks, the cream is ready. In case you don't have whipping cream, don't worry. I have included details for substitutes in the description box. You can use them in case of an emergency. I filled the cream in a piping bag because that makes it very easy to layer it in the glass, but you can easily use a spoon, no problem. Now all you need to do is put the two things together. Time to get your most stylish glasses out of the closet. Just layer the biscuit powder and the cream, starting with the biscuit powder layer. Try and keep the layers as even or as level as possible. My kids are super excited. They are making this for their dad this Father's Day, which is today. I think it looks pretty classy just like this, but you can garnish this with a sprig of mint or maybe some nuts or anything that you fancy. Now I need to be fair to the mango season. So here is my version of Serradura with a mango twist. Just add a layer of freshly diced sweet mangoes to your pudding, and there you have it. And what are you waiting for? Make it right away. Enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.